Yo guys, it is me Don here and I'm back again with another video. So today reacting to Quarantine by Young Stunners, and it's got a bunch of people that I won't even be able to pronounce their names, but you can see it by the title. And it's also got Kushner, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's KR and then the $sign and then NA, but it'd be Kushner, but you know the S is a $sign. So I don't know how you pronounce it. Let me know in the comments. But anyway, we reacted to him before because he did 2 diss tracks on Eminem. Not Eminem. Anyway, I mean the Indian Eminem, people call him. But yeah, he did 2 diss tracks on Anyway, and I did react to them. Of course, they both got demonetized. But anyway, hopefully this one won't. I also love how this video is 420 minutes. Not this video we're watching, like the one that you're watching, but the one that I'm watching, that you're gonna be watching with me, is 420, because you know that is the marijuana number, if you want to say it. But anyway, yeah. So I'm looking forward to this. Of course, you know I love rap. 2 Childish Gambino posters in the background. So yeah, you know, I have a big you know, a big attraction, I guess, towards American rap, but we're going to you know, a different country of rap. So let's see how it is. I'm actually very excited. But before I start the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new. A lot of people who watch my videos are not subscribed yet, so you right there, hit that red button down below to subscribe and join the Mutant Army. If you haven't subscribed already and I've told you to subscribe, then like, what are you doing? Do you want me to sit in this bed for 12 hours and cry? That is what's going to happen if you don't subscribe. So subscribe, otherwise I will cry in that bed behind me, and you don't want that to happen, because then I don't know, I'll just be crying in my bed for a very long time. Anyway, also comment down below what else you want me to react to. Of course, this video was commented, so what am I doing? I'm reacting to it. So yes guys, comment what video you want me to react to. I always read your comments, even though it may not look like I do. I always do. So make sure you comment down below what else you want me to react to. And also my Instagram's in the description will pop up there. So you know my Instagram, you go and follow me on there, like my photos, comment on them if you really want to, if you're being, you know, proper nice. But also message me on there. I do talk to a lot of you guys on there, and you guys always ask for my Instagram, so it's always in the description now. And finally, if there's any sponsorships I want to sponsor my videos, also my email is in the description. I always put it in there because, you know, YouTube doesn't make any money, barely, and most of my videos get demonetized, so sponsorships would help. Anyway, other than that, we're gonna get straight into it. I'm very, very excited. There is English captions, but I've got a feeling even if you put English captions, it won't put it in English. It always does that. The captions never work properly on YouTube. YouTube needs to sort that out, unless if the actual person like puts the captions on there. Like some artists actually have people who put captions on it on purpose so you can actually understand it. But anyway, we're just gonna react to it, and I'm very excited. The beat always is hard normally with these kind of videos, so I'm excited for it. Okay guys, let's react to this in 3, 2, 1, bam.
Yeah.
Okay. Of course, they're smoking is for 20 minutes long.
Young Stunners.
Young Stunners.
Delhi se Karachi.
Yeah. ये बजेगा गली के नाके पे, ये बजेगा तेरे इलाके में, ये बजता रहेगा जब पड़ेगा रेड और लौंडे डिफॉल्टर भागेंगे। हम उल्लू हैं, रातें भी जागेंगे, हम वाइज हैं बेटा, हम वायस हैं। तू रियल है तो हम भी नाइस हैं, तू रियल नहीं तो हम भी चौड़े में। जो नस्ली नहीं मेरे लोड़े पे, थोड़े से बीफ से घबरी जो हो रहे थे, आंखें खोल के ये सब्र पर सो रहे थे। बातें चोदने से बच्चे नहीं होते वे। Kill my chest, हम देसी हिप हॉप के नशे में, we rapping it checks, kill my chest। मीडिया के लांचों से बचे हुए दिल में सब रख के ये माइक पे फटेंगे, सिलेबस की तरह सिलेबल्स रटेंगे। I'm magical बेटा, कलम में जादू है, रुकता नहीं बेटा ये कलम पे काबू है।
We'll go pause it on there. Yo, okay, this man comes in hard. It starts off like dun, 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 but then he just goes in faster and faster the longer it goes on. I love this. And now it's more like dun, 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 dun. Oh man, and the beat is fire. It's got like, it has got the whole Indian vibe, which I fuck with, so I like that. This is actually fire, you know. Of course, I have no clue what they're saying, because I told you, I put on the English captions, yeah, and then they're just going, yeah, we'll put it in the original language. I'm just like, because English captions, it's only with rap music, because the rapping is so fast, the English captions just don't know what they're saying because it's too fast for YouTube captions to understand. But if you're watching like my videos, English captions would normally work. Most of the time they'll work about right, so you kind of understand what I'm saying. But with, you know, rap music, it doesn't. Pop music, it does, because it tends to be quite slower. But it's so funny, like you just never will be able to understand. I can't even speak now. But anyway, yeah, this is fire. I like this guy. I like what he's wearing. He's got the nice striped shirt, and I can see the watch on his wrist, and then he's got a gold bracelet on his wrist as well. He's got the drip. He's got the drip. I tried to come in some nice drip, but most of my clothes are in the wash, so this is like my least coolest drip. But you know, we're still rocking it. It's the whole outfit as well. Look, I'm matching. You gotta rate it a little bit. I've got to come in with a bit of fashion. I can't have no fashion. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna react to more of it. I'm looking forward. This should be hard. Let's react to more of it in 3, 2, 1.
कनी तेरा ये जिन्नों की आमद है कुछ दिनों में फिर आनी सबकी शामत है ये हमाकतें तेरे इख्तिताम की वाज़े अलामत हैं You know
Hey.
मेरे साथ कितने साल से तलहा यूनस 8x स्कोप जैसा फोकस ब्रो मैं तो मेरे लिल होमी से भी इंस्पायर्ड हूँ रफ चाइल्डहुड लेकिन भाई लाइफ्स गुड स्टूडियो ही घर चर्चे और फास्ट फूड 24 घंटे रेडी मदरफकर लेट्स डू इट जब मैं तेरे जैसा नहीं तू मेरे जैसा क्यों है मारे अभी तेरा राउंड खाली तेरा सर पैर भाई पूरा साउंड खाली तू काम बारी नहीं तेरा काम बारी नहीं जितने मेरे खर्चे तेरी आमदनी नहीं तेरा नाम होगा लेकिन काम मिले नहीं किस काम का वो नाम जिसका दाम लगे नहीं तेरे साथ वाले तेरे साथ लेकिन तेरे सगे नहीं मदरफकर you know
that bit
निकले खजाने से सच के पैमानों से पी रहा पानी सिर्फ काबिल नहीं दुनिया ये फिर भी हमारे नहीं लाया गवाह भी मैं ये तो गवारे में अंधों में गाने बीटों पे पब्लिक नचा रहे कहते मचा रहे अबे चुप हम उजाले तुम सिर्फ काले मेरे गाने सुनने वाले जाने जानिए खलाए हम जेल नहीं भाई टाइम किया भाई ग्राइंड किया तेरा टाइम क्या करूं मैं रिवाइंड क्या करूं फिर से टाइट किया तेरी हाइट से और ज्यादा मेरी हाइट प्यार बॉर्डर पार से भी मिले प्यार अल्फाज से द नाइटमेयर्स स्लीप टाइट करूं रिप्लाई I'm a beast by showing peace signs look at me boy still rapping streets like doubt by never do it for the clout AG style.
Oh, we're gonna pause it there before he goes in deeper. Oh my god, see, this is Kushner, right? Krishna, I don't know how you pronounce it, but I know this man from the MMA diss track. This man goes in hard. He can rap fast. He's good competition for MMA. He's got the same kind of flow. He's got the speed of it as well. I think I like his general voice a bit more because there's not really much of an accent on his voice. It's quite like basic, so you couldn't really you can tell like where he's from, but not as much basically. And he has quite like a deeper voice. And in rap, sometimes the deeper voice does work more because it sounds like more threatening, especially if you're talking about like running up on people or stuff like that. If you've got the deeper voice, then it just does sound more threatening. But I love the visuals on this as well. I like how they're all, well, at least 2 of them are from like, you know, grew up in rough areas. And now look at them, they're making it, they're making their money. You know, they're living their lives, which I rate so much. If you come from like such a rough area and you just work your way up to become, you know, wealthy and just living your life, then like fair play. You've literally won the game of life. Life is a game, and if you win it, then then you're solid basically. And they have done that. So I actually rate all of them so much. But I love the video. You know, I'm pretty sure I couldn't tell if it was money or bags of like, you know, the sniffy dust, as we have to call it on YouTube, otherwise get demonetized. But yeah, I love it. I think it is the sniffy dust, but we'll just say it's money for now, just to be safer. But anyway, this is hard. I think there is one more person, so I might pause and review him as well. But I've already read this guy, so we're just gonna play the rest of it in 3, 2, 1.
वो तारे से जो मारे नहीं हमारे नहीं वो कहते थे म्यूजिक में पैसा नहीं पर हम कमारे शो बजा रहे मिलके खा रहे तुमने काले सिंपैथी पे ये कमारे है खुदा मुझे बचा ले ये कला मेरी गवाह है ये बता दे कौन है आए मेरे दुश्मनों की राय लेने वाले भी गुमराह है मुनाफिकों की इज्जत अपने माशरे में कायम ये फ्रॉड बनने चले गॉड सोचा जिनका वक्त बदल दूं हक बदल दूं सब बदल दूं लेने पे आता तो बालों के मैं रंग बदल दूं लंड पे चढ़ बोलूं मैं तेरे हम शक्ल को कम अकल पे ले ये फ्लो पकड़ तू छोटे वर्कू कलमकार बास मेरे अलमनाक सरत पार भी वाकिफ अवाम जानी खबरदार बिग एल जैसे ऑफिस बिन अ फाउल शैट बेटर बाउ डाउन I'm so high now मेरी वाली वाइब लो मैं हूं आई क्राउड वाला बैठा क्लाउड नाइन जब भी मेरा वर्स बजे keep the music loud man 2020 चौके on the beat let me preach I should lead rapper जैसे राजे को जरूरी जीत पहले सीख छोटे फिर आना तू बीट पे बातें गहरी जैसे खंदक रेफरेंस फ्लिप ये तला तू ठीक है
Wait, this
चीनी
slap.
कम चीनी कम
Here we
मुझे
go.
तो मीठा पसंद नहीं हाँ कृष्णा के नाम से सड़े ये जैसे इन सालों को गीता पसंद नहीं हाँ
Okay.
डरती है इनकी हर सुबह तो बोले ये हमको तो तीखा पसंद नहीं हाँ I got these rappers so salty लगता है मुझको अब फीका पसंद नहीं ay They don't wanna fuck with a boy आई मेरी वेव तो वो सबको डुबोए मेरे enemies मेरे सपनों में रोए सारे नरम है गलौटी जैसे लखनऊ में हो
Alright, we're going to pause it there. I have to just review this guy real quick. We're not going to take long on this one because I have rambled a bit more on this video. But this guy, we've never reacted to him before. He gives more of an American vibe. Like, I know he's not from there because, I mean, the language he's speaking and stuff. But just by, like, the drip he's wearing, it's very, you know, Western style. You see people in England and in America wear stuff like this. So, I've got to rate the drip for everyone. Everyone's dripping, which, you know, you need. I feel like it is a certain thing you need for the rap videos. But he's in, like, looks like some Chinese restaurant he's in. But anyway, you know, I've got to analyse his music videos as well. But yeah, this guy, he's got, like, a different kind of flow. It's more like, it's very American, like, style. More a bit slower, but, like, I feel like maybe more lyric-based. I mean, I don't know the lyrics, but normally when they're singing, rapping in this like slower kind of style, which is the one I prefer the most, I guess, because you can understand the lyrics and the flow a bit more, and I guess it's easier to chill with. But maybe a little bit faster, I think, would be up more my street. But you know, it's got a good like tempo, and it's got the nice flow, and yeah, I just feel like it might be more than lyricism based. This rapper, but I like it so far. So we guys could react to the rest of it. No more pausing, just straight up reacting. Let's do this in 3, 2, 1, bam.
कराची से दिल्ली ये तोहफा है बेफजूल लुंडी करते जैसे नोटा है
Here we go.
चैन नहीं मिलता तू इतना क्यों रोता है सुना तेरी जात का होता है छोटा है YS डॉलर साइन कंबाइंड है कॉलम्बाइन
Yeah.
ना है बॉर्डर लाइन जब साथ है ऑल काइंड ऑफ ग्राइंडिंग ऑल द टाइम और लाइफ है ऑन द लाइन कोरोना हो या स्वाइन मैं तो करूं क्वारंटाइन yeah I got the 9 and I'm ready for the retake जन्मदिनों रोज को I just wanna see cake मेरे लिए एक ही कैल्विन वो है प्रोडस नो CK ऑलरेडी लेजेंडरी करूं वेपन कैरी जैसे मिलिटरी में तो वाकई इन्हें मौत दूं Always secondary, तू वेटेड इन मेरी सीधा सेमेटेरी जाके फटाफट पहुंच तू
Oh, okay.
बैड सैनिटरी तेरे लिए नेसेसरी जैसे वेटरनरी मेरे आगे भौंक तू मेरे एडवर्सरी जाते मैं तो रहता वेरी शिट स्कैरी अगर आके करे मेरे डॉट पे नॉक तू बेस्ट इन द गेम और इसमें तो राय नहीं अपनी बातें मैंने अब तक दोहराई नहीं घोड़ी बनाया पर मैंने दौड़ाई नहीं मेरा तो हारने का कभी दौराए नहीं समझ नहीं आए मेरे लव्स पर I don't give a shit जैसे हुआ मुझे कब ये स्टूडियो गैंगस्टर्स माइक पे टफ आया फाइट देने इन्हें ऑन साइट पे भी रफ
Ooh, the shots at the end. See, alright, that was fire. To be fair, the thing I rate about it the most is they all had like an equal part on the video, so they all had their own like verses. There was no chorus, it was just like first verse, and then the other guy had a first verse, and then the third guy had a first verse. So altogether, they probably had like maybe at least a minute of their rapping, and to write a whole minute, and especially with a feature video. So for each person to write a minute of rapping, it does take a while. Like, you know, your bars don't just come into your mind straight away. I mean, maybe some of them do, but you know, it takes time to just like write it down and make sure it's got to be fire. Because you don't want to have 11 million views like that and have a stinker of a video. But yeah, anyway, guys, that was fire. I very enjoyed that. Take back what I said on the guy. He does have the ability to rap quite fast, but he has a different kind of flow style where he like raps really fast and then pauses. So you go it has like pauses in between of the really like fast rap, but where like the other two before was just like non-stop, like they could just like, you know, do like the fast rapping for like 50 seconds and that'll be it. Like they've just done it. There's no pauses in between. But anyway, guys, that is my review and analysis on this video. I'll give it a 9 out of 10 because this was straight fire. I mean, I can't base it on the lyrics because I don't know the lyrics myself, and I'm not going to deduct any points from that because that's my fault for not learning the language. So yeah, 9 out of 10. Absolute banger. Anyway, guys, if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new. I know a lot of people watch my videos and not subscribed yet, just like you right there. So what you're doing, hit that subscribe button down below and join the Amiton army. Again, if you don't subscribe, I will cry in that bed for a very long time, so don't make me do that. Subscribe, and also comment down below what else you want me to react to. I know I haven't like sometimes I just forget what I'm saying in this video, so sorry about that. But you know, I still react to it, and I just want it to be my first reaction, because if it's not my first reaction, then I feel like I'm just like, you know, cheating because I've already reacted to it before. So that's why if you see me mess up with videos, I'm gonna keep it in there, because I'm 100% real, not on this fake reaction stuff. Also, link in description, my Instagram, and I hope you guys see me, and I hope I see you in the next video. Peace.